Hi, I'm Jamie at Precision Oven Cleaning, and one of the questions I often get asked is how soon can I use my oven after the cleaning process? Well, the answer is straight away. Here we've got a typical double oven, so we've got a single oven below and then we've got a grill. Some of them are a combi oven as well, so some ovens you get, they're actually grill slash oven, but this one is just a plain grill. The process we use doesn't involve using any caustic soda, which is sodium hydroxide, which is a product you normally find in off-the-shelf cleaning products that you find in supermarkets, etc. Because our products don't contain any of that, we've got a bespoke soap-based product that we use in a degreaser. So there are no caustic soda used, there are no fumes, and it's non-harsh chemicals, so it's not corrosive in any way at all. We also use a bit of good old-fashioned elbow grease as well to get the great results we do. But the oven can be used straight away after the use. You don't need to burn off any fuel you would typically have to with using that sodium hydroxide, otherwise known as caustic soda. And the great thing as well, because ours is non-corrosive and non-toxic, it's not harmful to yourself, pets, children, etc. So there's no risk of breathing in any fumes at all. And also, it's great in the sense that we do protect all the area. As you can see, we've got cloths and protective microfiber cloths here as well. But if any were to spill inadvertently on any part of the work surface or any cupboards, it's non-toxic, so it wouldn't cause any damage at all. But as you can see, we do take every precaution to make sure the area is fully protected. Many thanks for listening.